That's
You are like models.
He is. We got 2 pets. I think that was the most meaningful, probably, getting a pet for me.
Oh, how did you guys met each other?
Online, dating app, yeah.
Oh, which app, if you don't mind?
Hinge.
Do you believe there's true love from online dating?
Yeah, I'd say so. I think we're a good example.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. How long did you guys been together?
9 months now.
Who asked who out?
I did.
How did you ask her out?
I just asked her if she wanted to go for a walk somewhere.
How was your first date?
Yeah, it was great. Yeah, we didn't go anywhere. We just went for a walk.
What's the most meaningful thing you've done to each other?
We moved in together recently.
We got 2 pets, so I think that was the most meaningful, probably, getting a pet for me.
There's one.
Well, we named Barsi together and then he named Garash.
How old are they?
8 months and the other one is 4 months.
What's the funniest thing happened in your relationship between you two?
Probably when I stole the car on the first day. Bear in mind, at that point I had my license only like a month. So yeah, I don't know, I just kind of got nervous, I reckon.
The funniest, maybe like the most awkward.
It was on the first day that we met as well.
Yeah, like I haven't even like seen him in person properly yet. It was just more like he was like pulling up into a car park.
Yeah.
And then
I
he
just stole.
And after that, you still decide going out with her?
Yeah, I thought I'd give him a second chance.
True
He has
love.
stalled many times after, but it's okay. I'm used to it now.
Keep digging a grave for me.
Could you recommend a meaningful song to our audience?
You can take a picture of my phone so you'll be
Oh,
able to-
awesome. The Russian song?
Yeah.
Ah, you two are like models.
He is.
Oh, you are? Ah. Sorry, yeah.
No, in a work mood today.